Okay, layer masks. Layer masks allow you to hide and to reveal content. Think of it as the eraser tool with a history. Let me explain. So right now there is a tool called the eraser tool in Photoshop. So it does just what it says. It erases content. And the issue is that it's destructive. So let's say I make an erase, I erase something here and I do some work in the photo that I love, but then at some point I realize I may have made a mistake when I erased whatever it is I erased and I want to go back. The only way to do that is to keep doing and undo until you get back to the point where it restores what you erased, or go into your history palette and go back to the step before you started using the eraser tool. A better way to do it is with layer masking. So I have my layer here, my background duplicated, layer 1. What I'm going to do is click this layer mask tool at the bottom of the layers palette. Add layer mask. I'm going to click that. You'll see this symbol show up. It's a white block. Okay, so what this is, it's literally a mask. And the way that you manipulate this mask is with a white and or a black brush. So what this white means is that the picture is revealed. The picture, we can see the picture. If I want to hide pieces of the picture, I have a black brush, I have the layer mask selected, then I can do this. See? Now, what you're doing is you're masking out that part of you're creating a mask. You're not erasing it. You're creating a mask, and you're using the black brush to do so. And you can look at the mask itself if you hold down the Option key on a Mac, and I believe it's the Alt key on a PC. Apologies, it's either the Alt or Control. But you hold, and you can see the mask. That's what the mask is. So the kind of way to think about it is white reveals and black conceals. White reveals, black conceals. I'm going to switch now to a white brush, and I want to bring that part of the photo back, and now it's back. So it's a really nice way, like I said, to non-destructively erase parts of an image or mask parts of an image, and then of course you can go the other way around. It allows you to reveal those parts of the images. If in the future you make a bunch of changes and you think to yourself, you know what, I want to go ahead and reveal that section instead, or I want to go ahead and remove this part of the photo, I'm going to use a layer mask to do it. Let's look at this as in a practical kind of application. Let's say that I want to increase the sharpness of this model's eyes. So what I would do is duplicate this layer. Let's go to duplicate layer. Let's just call it layer 1 copy. That's fine. I'm going to remove the mask for now. Okay, and I'm just going to do a quick trick for sharpening eyes. Quick way to do it. I'll tell you what, let's do this. Let's make another copy. Let's go to other, and we'll go to high pass, and we'll zoom in here on the eyes, and we'll bring this down to, let's say, 2.6. That's fine. And I'm going to create an overlay. Okay. So this trick allowed me to sharpen the image. And that's with it turned off. And this is it turned on. But as you can see, it's sharpening the entire image, and we don't want to sharpen the entire image. We just want to sharpen the eyeball, the iris. So we're going to create a mask. I'm going to invert this mask. Let's call this eye sharpen. I'm going to invert this mask by pressing Command I on my keyboard. Control I on a PC. So that masks the photo, or this layer, which is the eye sharpen layer. But I want to reveal the eyes, so I'm going to switch to a white brush. I'm on the black mask, and voila, I'm just getting the eyeballs, right? Same thing over here. There you go. Let's take a look at the mask. As we can see, it's just those two little pieces for the eye, or for the eyes, plural. So that is layer masking. Now you'll see this in a bunch of other videos that I do in this tutorial, or rather in this entire set of lessons that you've purchased. You'll see me using it in a variety of different ways, but that is really the fundamental way that layer masks work.